Hi dear ones, welcome back. In the previous class, we have learned how to order numbers, right? Today, let's learn to form the greatest and the smallest numbers using the given digits. Let's first learn when the digits are not repeated, which means that when you form the greatest or the smallest number, the digits appears only once. There is a rule to write such numbers. The rule saying that to form the greatest number, we have to arrange the digits in descending order. What is descending order? Yeah, to arrange from the greatest to the lowest. And to form the smallest number, we have to arrange the digit in ascending order. Ascending order means from lowest to greatest. So remember, to form the greatest number, we have to arrange the digit in descending order. And to form the smallest number, we have to arrange the digit in ascending order. Let's discuss some examples. Form the greatest number and the smallest number by using all the digits. 3, 2, 9, 5, 6, 1. Correct. There are 6 digits. So we have to form the 6-digit number, the greatest 6-digit number from the given set of digits. Yeah. Which is the greatest digit given there? Correct. It is 9. Then there comes 6. Yeah, correct. Tell me. Then there comes 5, 3, 2 and 1. Very good. How can we read this number? Read it. Yeah, starting from the rightmost side, it is in ones place, ones period, thousands period. Then there comes lakhs periods. So how to read it? Yeah, correct. 9 lakh 65,321. Correct. Now, to form the smallest number, we should arrange it from the least to the greatest. Yeah, here the least is 1, then there comes 2, then 3, then 5, then 6 and then 9. Correct. How can we read this number? It's 1,23,569. Correct. Let's see another example. Form the greatest and the smallest 6-digit number by using the given digit 430672. We can form the greatest number from the greatest digit to smallest. So it will be 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 0. 7 lakh 64,320. Now, how to form the smallest number? And what we have learned that we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means we have to write the least number. Right, here the least number is 0. So, if I start with 0, it will be like this, right? 2, 0, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, right? And how can we read this number? This number is 23,467. Is it correct? It's not correct because we need the smallest 6-digit number. Here in lakhs place 0 is there, so we can think this one as a 5-digit number. So how can we solve this problem? If 0 is in the given digits, when you are writing the smallest number, start with the second smallest. It is 2. 2. Then as the second number, you can write 0. 2, 0, then as usual 3, 4, 6, 7. Now you just read the number. It is 2,03,467. Correct. Let's discuss one more example. Form the greatest and the smallest 7-digit number by using all the digits. All the digits means how many digits are there? Correct. 10 digits are there. 0 from 0 to 9. So here the digits is not specified, so we have to use all the digits, right? And we need to find is the 7-digit number. How can we form the greatest number? To form the greatest number, arrange the digit from greatest number to the least. Let's start with the greatest digit 9. It's 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Correct. So it is 98,76,543. Now to form the smallest number, we have to start with the least digit. But we have seen in the previous example that we have to consider the second smallest. So let's start with 1. The second digit will be 0. Correct. 1, 0. Then 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have arranged from 2 to 6 in the ascending order. Correct. So what is the smallest number? 10,23,456. Let's form the greatest and the smallest number when the digits are repeated. In the case of repetition of digits, we can start from the ones place or in the right side of the number and proceed towards left. So let's see one example. Form the greatest and the smallest 6-digit number by using 8, 3 and 6. How many digits are given? Only 3 digits are given. We need to form the greatest and the smallest 6-digit number. So clearly some digits will going to repeat. So as we have learned to form the greatest number, we have learned that we have to arrange the digit from greater to smaller. Here when repetition allowed, we have to start with ones place or in the right side. So the least number I am writing in ones place, it is 3. Then the next one it is 6. Then I wrote 8 in hundreds place. But 3 places again left. We have to fill it with the greatest number, greatest digit. It is 8 itself. So to form the greatest number, we should start with the least digit writing in the right side or in the ones place, then towards left 6 and 8. Then we have to fill the places by repeating the greatest digit. So it is 8,88,863. Did you understand? Okay. So how to form the smallest number? In the same way. To form the smallest number, we have learned that we have to write in ascending order. From left to right it is ascending order. But we are going to start here in the right place, in ones place. So in ones place we need to write the greatest digit. The greatest digit is 8. Then in the left side it is 6. Then it is 3. Again we have to fill the 3 more places. How we can fill the 3 more places? By using the smallest digit. Which is the smallest digit given here? It is 3. So we are going to write it as 333. Just read the number. It is 3,33,368. Correct. Another one. Form the greatest and the smallest 6-digit number by using 4, 5, 0 and 7. Here 4 digits are given. We need to find the smallest and the greatest 6-digit number. So as usual, to form the greatest number, we should start with ones place. Ones place we need to write the smallest one, 0, then 4, then 5 and 7. The 2 places left, we will write 7 there itself. So 7 is repeating in the greatest as the greatest number. So it is 7,77,540. Now to form the smallest number, a very small difference is here. What was the difference? Yeah, as usual we should start with the greatest number in ones place. Here the greatest digit is 7 that we wrote in the ones place. The next number in 5 in tens place. Then 2 more digits are there, right? One digit is 0, another digit is 4. 0 is there. So we cannot write 0 in the lakhs place. So which number we should write? We should write the number or the digit 4 in lakhs place. Again 3 places are left blank. It is the smallest number. So we will fill the blank space by 0. Clear? So here it is 4,57,000. So when 0 is present in the digit, remember you should start with the greatest digit in ones place, second greatest in tens place, and here 0 and 4 are present. You should write 4 in lakhs place and fill other places by 0. One more example. Form the greatest and the smallest 7-digit number by using 9, 2, 3 and 0. Here 4 digits are given there. 0 is also present. You can form greatest number directly, right? Yeah. The least digit is 0. 0 will be in the ones place. Then 2 in tens place, 3 in hundreds place, 9 in thousands place. The left 3 places are there. We should fill it by 9, the greatest digit. So the answer is 99,99,320. Correct. Then to form the smallest number, just remember we have to write from ones place. Which digit we have to write in ones place? The greatest digit. Yeah, 9 we wrote in ones place. The next 3 we wrote in tens place. Then 2 digits left. What are the 2 digits? 2 and 0. So we have to write 2 in 10 lakhs place. Then there comes 4 places as blank. We will fill it using 0. So the answer is 20,39,000. Thanks for watching the video. Please be safe and healthy. See you next time.